Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel, Nepali Cooking. And today I am going to make a very simple recipe, that is fish soup without adding a drop of oil, and it's kind of healthy, and it's Rohu fish. It's very popular in this area. Before I show you the recipe, I will show you guys what are the ingredients that I have prepared. I've already prepared the ingredients. I'm not going to show the making of the ingredient process because in my previous video I've already shared how I make my ingredients. Most of the ingredients are locally grown, organic from our garden. Get started. This is of course Rohu fish, and this is grated tomatoes. This is chopped coriander leaves from the garden. This is grated ginger, and this is grated garlic, and this is grated onion, and this is mustard powder. Rohu fish is incomplete without mustard powder. Alright, so let's head towards the kitchen. So I will share you the recipe. These are the ingredients that I've already shown. I have put the water to be boiled. I don't have to wait until the water gets boiled. So I have already added this garlic crushed, and this is again ginger crushed, and I've also added the mustard powder. To add this now grated onions. No oil, not a single drop of oil that I'm going to use. It's very healthy, and obviously I like it this way. Tomatoes. Obviously I have to add salt. No turmeric, nothing. Salt to taste. Let me add these raw fish now. The fish soup has started boiling, and let it boil for another 10-12 minutes, and it should be ready to eat. So, while the soup is being cooked, I will cook this rice now. I'll wash this rice for 3 times. Okay, I'm going to seal this rice. The tomato pickle that I prepared. This is roasted tomato with skin, and Delhi chili. This is the Delhi chili that I have used, and some few garlic. The fish has been semi-cooked. Another 5 minutes, it should be done. Okay, the soup is ready, and the rice has also been cooked now, and this is chopped onions, and this is coriander leaves, this is mustard green curry, and this is potato and pea soup, and this is curd. This is the tomato pickle, and this is my plate. It's empty now, so I'm going to serve, and let's see how my hard work has been paid off. Mustard green curry, mustard greens, and soup. Let's see how it's going to taste. The tomato pickle, curd that I'm going to eat. This is my curd. Chopped raw onions, and a little bit of coriander leaves in this soup. Almost an hour to prepare this rice and this fish soup. this tomato pickle and all these basic curries. So let's see, it has finally been cooked, and let's see how it's gonna taste. Let me see how it has tasted. This is water and soup, and this is also tomato and pea soup. Okay, let me see. Yes, this is exactly how I want it. Very plain and simple, and it's healthy because no oil, nothing. Let me eat this boiled fish. Wow. Lovely. Wow. You see the pickle? Oh, it's very, very hot. You know, it's almost 11 o'clock, so I normally eat at 9 o'clock in the morning, so it's delayed by 2 hours, and I'm kind of hungry. You can see it.